Omari ni gabirika gwecokia bene nabo igo gusegeta Omogusii kwene kebinango charamo nabo igo gukwana n'eriogi elimo gusangana abagakuburia abagusii kwene kebinango mutenene abale oyo mobo goche kwamiriria ekirugo ky'oburai bwense ase obochori obonene buli busio.
Consolidatory banyorana n'omuchumba West Mugirango naende toigwananire na next year naende nari togochaga togenderera kurwanirira umwana Muwusii. So in summary, our concern is to raise the standard of education both in West Mugirango, in Nyamira County and in Kisii County. This is the group. Remember, one of our members is Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi. He's a member of this group. He knows what is going on. We are not saying that we are lobbying to put him as a presidential candidate. But if it shall be, you'll remember I'm pushing for the Kisii community to have its own one or their own at the ballot. And we will not disown our classmates. Take note and watch this space